The brightest budget light of 2025? GVM SD500B versus the big boys. Full breakdown. Ever hit record and feel like your light's out to sabotage you? You're stuck in post tweaking shadows, fixing skin tones, chasing consistency while your so-called studio light flickers like a haunted bulb. Whether it's color shifts, noisy fans, or weak sauce brightness, the gear keeps under-delivering while deadlines loom. You end up wasting hours you'll never get back, tweaking highlights instead of creating. No vibe, no mood, no control. It's like filming with a glorified flashlight. And if you're honest, you're tired of masking your gear's failures in post. Now that pressure's building. Clients want cinematic, not clinical. Deadlines are brutal. Burnout's creeping in like bad lighting, slow, quiet, deadly. Missed opportunities are racking up while your rig's fighting you at every turn. That tight shot you missed because your light couldn't keep up? That shoot scrapped because of overheating? You're not lazy, you're just blocked by tools that weren't built for real-world creators. And that frustration? It adds up fast. Let's face it. You can't light a masterpiece with equipment built like a toy. Here's where the GVM Pro SD500B flips the script. This 500-watt bicolor cob beast delivers a blinding 81,500 lux at 1 meter with cinematic precision. You get 2700 to 6800K adjustable warmth with color that pops true every time, thanks to its 97+ CRI/TLCI rating. It's smooth like butter, with 0.1% dimming accuracy, ultra-quiet dual fans, and rock-solid app, DMX, and manual control. Built-in lighting effects? Yep, 12 cinematic presets like candlelight, paparazzi, TV flicker, and lightning. It's powerful enough to replace your HMI rig, yet whisper quiet enough for ASMR shoots. All in a portable 5 kg body with Bowens mount support. High-end power without the A-list price tag? Now we're talking. But don't just take our word for it, users are calling it the brightest budget light of 2025. One cinematographer said, works just like an HMI, easier, quieter, cheaper. Another praised the silent cooling, saying, I had it at 100% and couldn't hear a thing. Reviewers say it beats the Nanlite Forza 500 in value, and outperforms the Aperture 300D2 in brightness. And that controller? Built in. No spaghetti wiring mess. Even when compared to lights double its price, creators are shocked by how well the SD500B holds up. Curious? Tap in. We tested every effect, brightness mode, and temp shift live. See it for yourself, and watch the glow-up happen in real time. This isn't just a light, it's your new creative weapon. But here's the kicker. Stock is limited, and word's getting out fast. Whether you're shooting weddings, films, interviews, or content on the daily, you need this kind of power and control. So don't wait around for the next restock. Buy now. Secure yours today. Join thousands of filmmakers and photographers leveling up their lighting game with gear that actually delivers. Because when your light performs like this, everything else follows. Seize your shot. Get lit like a pro. Glow big or go home.